What to expect after your asylum interview. The government, according to its own policy for Afghan asylum applications, has to make a decision on your asylum application within 150 days of receiving it. This decision will come by mail. Your resettlement caseworker will communicate this decision with you. If your asylum application is approved, you will receive an approval letter and a new I-94 document with the asylum stamp. This is your official proof of your asylum status. So it is very important that you make a copy of these and keep the original in a safe place. Once your asylum has been granted, you can apply for your spouse and minor children under the age of 21 to join you in the United States. If you wish to start this process, please contact your resettlement caseworker. The legal specialist will be assisting you with family reunification efforts. After 1 year and 1 day of having asylum status, you can apply for your permanent residence in the United States. This is an important step in your immigration journey because it will allow you to live more permanently in the United States with access to more benefits. Additionally, it will set you on the path to U.S. citizenship if you wish to become a citizen. Again, the legal specialist will be organizing clinics to help you apply for permanent residency when the time comes. So please keep your resettlement agency informed of your phone number, address, and email address. If your asylum application is not approved, one of two things may happen. First, your case may be held until a waiver is made available if it was denied because of affiliations with the Taliban. In this case, you can continue to live and work in the United States lawfully while your application is pending. Or your case may be referred to the immigration court in Detroit, where an immigration judge will hear your testimony again and decide if you are eligible for asylum. This process is called defensive asylum. In either case, this is not a denial of your asylum application. It just means the government needs more information and needs another agent of the U.S. government to hear your case. Thank you for watching this short informational video. If you have any questions, please refer to your resettlement caseworker, who will contact the team of legal specialists.